Whoa, I don't remember bringing you here.
Hello, Master. I came here from the nth dimension to challenge you, Pika.
Well, that's an awfully far place to come from, bootleg Pichu. So tell me, what do you want me to do?
I dare you to eat this. The Samyang Ramen Spicy ×2 Challenge, Pika.
Psh, you know your master's always down for some food challenges. Is that all you got, Pikachu?
I know everyone who's not you has done this challenge before, so I'm gonna one-up the stakes. I challenge you to eat this with the REAPER, Pika.
Oh, no. That's 2 million Scoville units, bootleg Pikachu. You know I'm weak with hot sauce. And you know I can't eat that.
Don't be such a Master, Pika.
This is the show that I answer the question that I ask you guys each and every vlog, which is what is cooking? This is the second episode of Try This at Home. I am joined here by my brother, Gino, and he's gonna be teaching us how to be cooking the Samyang ×2 properly to make it extra spicy. But before we get into that, make sure to smash that like button down below, and while you're at it, hit that red subscribe button too. So let's get to the ingredients. So all the ingredients that you need is in the pack of the Samyang. You have the noodles, and oh my god, you guys expect me to read that? I'll just call it the Samyang sauce and the Samyang seasoning. Comment down below what it really says, guys. Come on, I don't know how to read Korean. So let's get to the cooking. First off, you need to boil some water. Make sure to cover it up so that it boils faster and it's more efficient, because the heat and the energy stays in the pan. Once it's like this is what you call the rolling boil. That's when you can put the noodles in. That's Gino showing the product placement there. You just put the noodles in. Set a timer for 5 minutes so that your noodles are perfectly cooked and well done. Make sure to cover it up so that it's efficient. Hashtag cover it up for efficiency. And then after 5 minutes, get a strainer and remove all the water but 10% of it. And then put the noodles back in the pan and put it back on the heat. Now, this is the perfect time to put the sauce in. Remember that there is some oil in the sauce for sauteing it, and add the seasoning once you mix it around. And then time to saute it until the noodles are dry and the water is gone. And that's Gina playing with the food. And after the noodles are dry, that's when you can put it on a bowl. And if you guys don't believe us, pause the video and read the instructions. But we're gonna do something really stupid. We're gonna put a tablespoon of the REAPER hot sauce, which is based off of a Carolina Reaper. And it's time to die. After changing into more comfortable clothes and the noodles are finally cooked. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am very scared. This is the first time I'm gonna feel scared to eat something in my entire life. And I'm here by the Spice Lord, and I'm sure that this is nothing to him. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright,
Yeah, it tastes good.
I'm scared. Oh god, I'm so scared, guys. 3, 2, 1. See you guys on the other side. Oh! It's so spicy right away, man. No joke about it.
Flavor's still good.
The flavor is so good. But it's so painful. Why would they make noodles like this? Why did we put hot sauce in this?
Oh.
How many Samyang packs do you have?
5.
Then you eat this On a regular basis?
Twice a week. Once every few weeks.
Why do you do that, man? Wala pa rin loko kung gagawin ko eh. So does that hot sauce change anything because you're so used to it?
Maybe triples the pain.
So this is Samyang times what? I can't even do the math anymore, guys.
Times
6.
Times 6.
Oh my god. As soon as the pain dissipates, you take another bite.
It's getting better. Getting hot in here.
Have you tasted the other Samyang flavors?
Yeah, but this is my favorite one. It's not the same without the spice with this kind of stuff. Well, this is more, but you get what I mean.
It's a shit ton more. That's why you're known as the Spice Lord, man. But shout out to Karska and Don for naming you that. Oh my god. Oh.
Almost done.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Water break. Can't believe we're doing this. You said I got this off. Do that.
Go, go.
The heat's everywhere. I feel my entire body. I feel like my lips are swelling now. That's too wet. That's too wet. It went to my eyes. Before I take this last bite, thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed our pain today, smash that like button. Hit that red subscribe button. The one that is as colored as this one. Right here. And ding that notification bell to see more stupidity like this. And this is Chef Porkupig here to remind you guys to please don't do this at home, man. Don't do this at home. Cheers. Pineapple juice. Oh god. The ice cream ba yan? Never again, guys. Never again. Peace.